Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can upgrade your Opay account to tier 3. So tier 3, that's mean the merchant account. For that I'm going to show you the requirements what you just need to upgrade and the process that you have to follow. So watch till the end. So first we are going to talk about the Opay tier 3 upgrade requirements. So to upgrade to tier 3 you will typically need a valid government issued ID. So for example, the national ID, NIN, or the international passport, then driver license or voter's card. Then bank verification number, BVN. Your BVN must match your Opay account details. Then proof of address may be required in some cases, like your utility bill, your bank statement, or your tenancy agreement. Now, how to upgrade your Opay account to tier 3? First, open the Opay application, then log into your account. Then go to Me. Look at the button right of the home screen. You can find it at the bottom right side. Now, select Upgrade Account or Account Limits, so you will see your current tier and options to upgrade. Then choose tier 3. Then you just need to click Upgrade under the tier 3. Upload required documents. Follow prompts to upload, like a clear photo of your ID, your BVN if not already linked, then additional info if required, like proof of address, utility bills, or any other document that can actually be your proof or address or the transaction. Now submit and wait for verification. So verification usually takes a few hours to 1 to 2 days. Get confirmation. Once approved, you will receive a notification your account will now show as tier 3. Now here is benefits of tier 3. Higher transaction limits, often 5 million or more. Then access to full banking features, improved security and compliance. Here is a warning for you. Only upgrade through the official Opay app. Avoid clicking links or giving your personal info to third parties. Scams are common. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.